Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix one of the biggest tracking problem in the marketing. You are getting booking but you have no idea where you can come from. Google Ads, Facebook, organic, you are just guessing. In this video I will show you how to capture UTM parameters and send them into Calendly so every booking shows the exact source, campaign and ad. So no coding skill needed. Setup takes about 15 minutes. So the problem is, if I go to the short story, let me explain the problem quickly. A user click your ad, lands on your website, whatever you can say, then browser, then clicks your book a call button. But when they reach Calendly, all the UTM data is gone. Calendly never saw it. So when someone books, you just see a lead but no attention. That means you can't scale what's working. So now come to the solution. So firstly we are go to the Google Tag Manager. Firstly we go to the Google Tag Manager and we have to capture and store the all UTM parameters. You can see the code. So source, medium, campaign terms, content, all of UTM parameters. We have to create the custom HTML code to capture the all of that. Then I am go to the variable to create the each and every specific variable to capture the all UTM parameter. So you can see that here I have to create the 5 variable. One is UTM URL campaign, UTM campaign. So that is for the capture the that is I have to store the UTM campaign, then UTM content, UTM medium. I have to store it all of UTM parameters. So after that we are done for the UTM parameter. Now if I'm back to the again tags, here you can see the Calendly listener code to activate our event in the data layer, because we have to track the Calendly, so that we have to put in the code to capture the tag. So if I'm preview, I'm already preview it, create it. So if I go to the tag assistant, here you can see that we have to find out the each and every part, each and everything for Calendly booking. You can see that date and time selected, page height and event type viewed. All of things we have to find out in our data layer. So if I go to the variable, so now we have just tested how it's work. So I go to preview to test it, continue, and you can see that for the testing purpose I am adding the UTM source, medium, UTM content, UTM term, all of UTM parameter I am adding with my website URL. So my currently is in the contact page, so I'm go to on this page. So here we can see that our Calendly form. So randomly we just go to any date and select the time and next, and just giving the dummy name to for testing and schedule event, and our meeting are scheduled. So if I go to the tag assistant and I am the last one, and here you can see that UTM source I have to find out Facebook, UTM medium I am adding test, and UTM campaign that is sell, and UTM term is demo, and content is AD1. That is the dummy information I have to putting on this with this URL. So I am find out each and everything. So I hope you understand how can I adding the UTM parameter our Calendly booking form. So now we have to send it that Google Analytics 4 because we want to see the report. So how can we create that? So I am go to the Google Tag Manager, and firstly we can see that in the tag assistant we have a lots of event. So we have to optimize the event, that we have to see the event on the reporting section. So here you can see that Calendly event name. So we have to create the variable, because here we have to find out the multiple event names, so we have to capture one tag so that I am create the variable on it. So I am just copy the name Calendly event name back to Google Tag Manager, that is, then go to the variable. So then go to variable, new variable configuration variable. So I'm giving the Calendly event name. So just I am adding event name Calendly. Save it. So back to tag for GA4, new tag. Tag configuration, you know that already how to set up the Google Analytics 4 for Calendly. So Google Analytics GA4 event, here I have to adding the measurement ID. So go my Google Analytics GA4 interface and measurement ID. So based on it, so event name will be the back to our tag assistant. Our event name is Calendly booking. So we have copied the Calendly booking from here, based on it. So adding the Calendly event name here, and event parameter, you know that event parameter we are adding the all UTM parameter on that. So UTM source, so one by one we have to adding the all parameter. So in the right side, you know that we are adding the value UTM source, medium, campaign, UTM term, and finally content. And finally we are adding the trigger. So trigger will be the custom event, you know that custom event, that is Calendly booking, and I am adding the Calendly booking also. So save it. So we are adding all of UTM parameter, triggering, tag, now giving the name, that is Calendly UTM, that is for the G4. Save it. So now go to preview and check out that our all UTM parameters show in the Google Analytics 4 interface or not. So go to preview, continue, and in the with the URL you can see that all of parameter we are adding for testing. So in the contact page we go to our Calendly form. So again randomly you have to select the anytime, next, and schedule event. So in the tag assistant we can see that our tag is fired perfectly. If I go to the Google Analytics 4 GA4 event and go to the debug view, then Google Analytics 4, I do not know that why do not appear the event name, but if you can see that, we can see that medium, that is test, and source, that is Facebook, we just testing on it, and term is demo. So we have to find out all of UTM parameter, but event name is not appear. So if you already go to my YouTube channel, then you can see that how to set up the Google Analytics 4 for Calendly. So I will giving the link on the description box. So finally you can see that we have to perfectly set up the our UTM source, medium, campaign term, content, all of UTM parameter we have to include the Calendly event. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video with a new topic. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.